I'm Jennifer and I'm so happy you're here today for the Festive Fall Coffee Table Styling Collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Design with Emma, At Home with Lisa, Debbie Bubbles, May's Design Corner, Jean Home Decor and more, Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, Donna Decor and more, and me, Jennifer at Home. Be sure to check out all of these participating channels. They'll all be listed below, as well as any other participants. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. My coffee table is round, so I'm going to start off decorating with a round basket. This round basket tray will be the perfect thing on my coffee table. I always love to go with a super simple design, and I'm starting off today with this green and white striped ribbon. To add a little interest to this tray, I'm just going to take this beautiful ribbon and I'm going to start weaving it right around through the basket tray. Now that I have the ribbon successfully wound around the basket, I'm going to tie it right in the very front. This will just add a little more interest to the woven tray. I have this large, beautiful pumpkin that's a wonderful velvety finish and a wonderful pretty pink. I purchased this beautiful dusty rose pumpkin last year at Marshall's. Now to the basket, I'm going to add in this beautiful greenery with twigs. I purchased this a few years ago at Hobby Lobby. It's one of my favorite pieces of greenery. It looks so natural and so real. I'll just place this right in the center of the tray. Now I have one more addition, this beautiful velvety pumpkin that I purchased at Marshall's as well. I'll just tuck this pumpkin right in on the side of the basket. And there we have it, just that easy. We were able to create a beautiful arrangement for our coffee table. It looks so natural and the pumpkins coordinate so nicely together. The twigs really add a natural look to the pumpkin basket. The ribbon really ties in the green and gives it a little more interest. By just adding a few things to my coffee table, it's all set for fall. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I'll be so happy to see this wonderful arrangement throughout the entire fall season. It'll take me through all the way to Thanksgiving. I am so happy you're here. I had so much fun decorating and styling my coffee table for this wonderful fall collaboration. I would be so happy if you check out all of the other channels listed below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.